Hello everyone, welcome to the Bohemian Dreamer. Those of you who are already subscribed to my channel, hello and welcome back. And for the newcomers, hello, I am Anindita from the Bohemian Dreamer and we make travel and lifestyle videos once a week. So if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't want to miss another exciting content from us. I am also very active on my social media handles and you can go and follow me there. So I am back today with some unboxing videos. So recently I got to know about Paperquarks and they deliver stationery boxes all over India. You will get to know if you see my videos that I really love all type of books and stationery items. So when I got to know about that, I had to get one box for myself. So that box arrived. You can see this is the packaging. It is quite heavy and I am super excited to try this one. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with cutting the packaging. So I will start by cutting open this package. So this is the box and they have a theme for every month and this month's theme was Oceania. It is all things of under the sea, as you can see in this lovely picture. They have 3 plans. I took the basic one which was of rupees 800. So because I tried it for the first time, I thought of taking the basic one. Let's open it. So here is a quote which is written as happiness is shopping for stationery, which is quite true. I believe that I love stationery items. Let's start with the goodies. So first we have this introduction to this box. It has a table of content and like everything that you will find inside the box. It has a list and what to do with that, so everything. And also the theme for the next box is given in here, which is vintage. And the bookings for this vintage box is already open. I will put the link of Paperquarks in my description box below so that you can go ahead and check it. Next we have this stationery bag. So the writing on it is the voice of the sea speaks to the soul, which is quite right. And this is a zipped pouch and yeah, I think I can store all my craft stuff in it. And also the quality of it is actually pretty good, like it is sturdy and it is not a bad material at all. Next, what do we have here? Okay, it is one envelope. It has starfish on top of it and okay, these are craft papers. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. I don't think I'm ever going to have the heart of actually using them. Look at this, these are so pretty. Oh my god, I can totally decorate my journal using all of this. And also this tag was given. This is just a paper thing, but it's so beautiful. Next we have some fridge magnets. This one has all the days of a month written all over it. I will just stack it on my fridge and I will use it. And this is one item I was actually looking for. This is a to-do list fridge magnet. So I was looking for it so that I could write down all the grocery list that I will need for the week, so that I can just go to grocery shopping looking at this list and I will know what all the items I need to buy. I am going to use this. Next we have one marine journal. Let's have a look at it. This is so pretty, like every page has a picture or something written about all the sea animals. I cannot wait to read and write on it. Wow, this is so beautiful. Just looking at this journal, I can tell you, and looking at the paper quality, that you should definitely try out this box. I mean, wow. Next we have some whiteboard markers. So it is a 2-in-1 marker. This is the black one and this is the red one. I think probably I can write on these fridge magnets with this. I am not so sure if they are permanent or not. But yeah, this is a good item, especially in this time of online teaching and all. Next we have some fluid acrylic colors, and I love all things colorful, so I am definitely going to use this on one of my craft projects, and I will definitely share it with you whatever I do. So we have 4 colors here. So this one is Prussian blue, this one is turquoise blue, this is light blue, and this one is white. So yeah, these are actually basically all the ocean colors. Next we have some seashells. Let me get all of them. So you can decorate up your place using this. I will definitely use it to do some craft items. The last item is a canvas. So this is 8-inch by 8-inch canvas, and I will try to do something on it, and I will just hang it up on my wall. I think that this will look beautiful. So this is all the items that I have received from Paperquares for 800 only. And if you can feel the quality of the papers, the journal, the what can I say, everything, every item in the box, even the fridge magnets, which I thought would be flimsy, but they are actually quite sturdy. Quality show that they should be much more than 800, but yeah, so it is a good deal. You can definitely check this one out. I am in awe at the service. Like they delivered in just 17 to 18 days. It is worth the wait. So that's it today, folks. So I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing video, and if you want to try the Paperquares box for yourself, I will put the link in the description box below. Be sure to check them. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more exciting contents. Also like, share and comment on this video what you liked about this, what you did not like about this, and I will see you soon. So until next time, dream on and bye.